If you are over 50 and you are skipping your brow routine, whether it's grooming, filling in your brows, you are missing out. Brows change our whole look, and not only that, it helps us look younger. So I'm going to show you in this video how I groom my brows and how it just helps bring together the whole look. Okay, so I'm going to show you the tools that I use. I'm using a brow powder. It's got a light and a dark, and also this little brush here. It's an amazing brush, and also a little spoolie here to brush them. If you can see here, I have no makeup, or I should say brow powder, on this eye. And you can already see a huge difference it makes with my full makeup going, and then just if I split, you can just see what a huge difference it makes. Now, you do have choices out there. A lot of people like brow pomade. I am just a big, huge fan of powder because I feel like it's more forgiving and less is more with powder. I don't know, that's how I've tried all sorts of things, and I always come back to powder and this powder. And everything will be listed down below in the description. Okay, so first things first, you want to, I'm gonna come in close. I always brush out my brow, make sure and get, any excess makeup, powder, things like that. Just get that good and brushed. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade first. Just tap on it. This is a little goes a long way with this brow powder. And I'm gonna start from the middle here and just start. Just a light hand. Just like that. And I just follow my brow shape with the darkest color. And then slightly go right above. And I don't go too far down the corner, and you don't want to go too far down, because if you go too far down, it drags your eye down, the whole eye, and that's not what we're going for. We're trying to lift and go up. Next, I'm going to go in with a lighter shade and tap the excess off. You want to tap the excess off like you would eyeshadow. You do not want any fallout. The lighter shade, I'm going to start brushing the front of the brow, the beginning of the brow, just like that. And don't go too dark and hard on the corner here, because that's not the natural look. The natural look of a brow, it starts lighter and then gradually gets darker because our brow gets thicker from the middle to the end of the brow. Okay, so now I just slightly go above, just because I do have a little bit of, little fine hair up there, so I just want to go up a little bit higher. If you can see how it makes such a huge difference. So now, one of two things. Usually when I really, really want to groom and just really shape out my brow, I will go in with my favorite pencil. It is by NYX, and I believe this is Brunette. What I'll do is I'll go underneath, just slightly. You don't want too harsh of a line. And just have a clean line underneath. Just like that. If you can see that. So now what I'm going to do is now get this little spoolie and just slightly brush through the brow. We don't want to undo everything we've already done. just slightly brush it all through to where it's got, you know, a little bit of just natural. It's not a block of color. That, again, that's what we don't want a block of color. And then I just go in with a little brush here. This is by BK Beauty. And I'll just clean up underneath. I've got a little bit of concealer on there. And then the corner here, and then I just kind of clean up the top. Just like that. You can see that. And that's all I do just for my brow. It's so simple and easy. I can do them in under 5 minutes. And again, if you want a little bit of extra, you know, hold to your brows, this is one of my favorite brow glues. It's Brow Glue by NYX, and they come in different shades. They have a clear shade, and this one is taupe. And all I do is just get a little bit, just a little bit. I wipe off the excess and just slightly comb through. And you know, if you like your brows to just stick straight up, this will also do that. But I don't do that. I just want it to kind of hold in place, if you can see that. I'm gonna just go in and make the other brow, since I've had it on all day. I'm gonna go in and just slightly darken it up so it can match the other eye. And I do my brows, you know, if I'm just running errands and I don't want a full face of makeup, I will just do my brows, throw on some lip gloss, and it's like my face is done. I won't ever wear makeup without doing my brows. It's just, to me, it's like not wearing any makeup at all. Okay, ladies, that is it. This is the final look. And let me know, what is your favorite product down below in the comments. I'm curious to know what you use for your brows, and I always like to hear from you guys. And remember, ladies, you're beautiful at every age. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my videos every time I upload.